Hello, today we are going to talk about Solana. Solana is a blockchain stage intended to have decentralized, versatile applications. It began as an open-source project in 2017 and is currently managed by the Geneva-based Solana Foundation. Solana Labs, based in San Francisco, developed the blockchain. Compared to rival blockchains like Ethereum, Solana can process more transactions in a much shorter amount of time and charges significantly less for each one. The Solana blockchain-based cryptocurrency, which is also known as Solana and goes by the ticker symbol SOL, saw a nearly 12.000% increase in 2021 and reached a market capitalization of over $66 billion, making it the fifth largest cryptocurrency at the time. SOL did not escape the cryptocurrency famine of 2022, despite its popularity. SOL's market capitalization had decreased to approximately $11.71 billion by October 3, 2022. In addition, its market capitalization decreased to ninth. Find out more about Solana and what sets it apart from the thousands of competitors. Solana is a proof-of-stake blockchain that uses hash timestamps to verify when transactions take place. This makes it better than the POS blockchain. Anatoly Yakovenko, a co-founder of Solana, wrote a white paper in November 2017 that talked about the proof-of-history idea. POE is a proof for encoding trustless passage of time into a ledger. It is used to verify order and the passage of time between events. In the white paper, Yakovenko takes note of that blockchains that were then freely accessible didn't depend on time. With every hub in the organization depending on its own nearby clock without information on some other members' tickers in the organization. The absence of a confided-in wellspring of time implied that when a message timestamp was utilized to acknowledge or dismiss a message, there was no assurance that each and every member in the organization would pursue precisely the same decision. SPL token, Solana's own tokenization standard, is comparable to Ethereum's ERC-20. This obstacle is overcome by POE, which enables every network node to rely on the trustless basis of the recorded passage of time in the ledger. Yakovenko has worked for well-known technology companies like Qualcomm Incorporated in the field of distributed system design. He learned from this experience that a reliable clock makes network synchronization simpler. When that happens, the network will be exponentially faster, with bandwidth as the only limitation. Yakovenko hypothesized that utilizing proof-of-history would significantly accelerate the blockchain in comparison to clockless blockchain systems like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The throughput handled by centralized payment systems like Visa, which see peaks of up to 65,000 TPS, is far greater than that handled by these systems, which struggle to scale beyond 15 transactions per second worldwide. The C programming language and a private codebase served as the foundation for Yakovenko's initial implementation. Yakovenko then switched the entire codebase to the Rust programming language at the request of his former Qualcomm coworker Greg Fitzgerald. Fitzgerald demonstrated that 10,000 signed transactions could be verified and processed in just over half a second when he began prototyping the first open-source implementation of Yakovenko's white paper in February 2018. Another Qualcomm colleague of Yakovenko's, Stephen Ackridge, demonstrated shortly after that offloading signature verification to graphic processors could significantly increase throughput. Yakovenko recruited Fitzgerald, Ackridge, and 3 others to co-found the company Loom after achieving these project milestones. However, the company project rebranded as Solana, after the small beach town near San Diego where the co-founders lived while working for Qualcomm. Due to the possibility of confusion with a similar Ethereum-based project, the project was expanded to run on cloud-based networks in June 2018, and a month later, the company released a permissioned, public test net with 50 nodes that consistently supports bursts of 250. Solana employs validator clusters rather than validator nodes, in which groups of validators collaborate to move transactions and secure the blockchain. Solana has processed over 100 billion transactions as of September 2022, at an average cost of $0.00025 per transaction. The architecture of Solana aims to demonstrate a set of software algorithms that, when combined with a blockchain, eliminate software as a performance bottleneck. Transaction throughput can scale in proportion to network bandwidth thanks to the combination. The architecture of Solana meets all three requirements for a blockchain: it is decentralized, secure, and scalable. A theoretical maximum of 710,000 TPS on a standard gigabit network and 28.4 million TPS on a 40 gigabit network are outlined in its architecture. The consensus model used by Solana's blockchain is a combination of proof of history and proof of stake. Validators, who add transactions to the blockchain ledger by validating them, can use POS to verify transactions based on the number of coins or tokens they hold. These transactions can be timestamped and verified quickly using POW. Due to its adaptability in rapidly expanding ecosystem, Solana has unavoidably been compared to Ethereum, the most popular blockchain for decentralized applications. In order to run cutting-edge applications like decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, Ethereum and Solana both have smart contract capabilities. Proof-of-stake consensus is used by both Ethereum and Solana. Validators stake their cryptocurrency as collateral in exchange for the opportunity to earn rewards for assisting the blockchain. Due to its distinct advantage over Ethereum in terms of transaction processing speed and transaction costs, Solana generated a lot of buzz in 2021. This is because Solana also implements POW. Solana has a processing capacity of up to 50,000 TPS and an average cost of $0.00025 per transaction. Ethereum, on the other hand, can only handle less than 15 TPS, and the typical transaction fee is around $1.68. Ethereum has first-mover advantage, and with its monstrous environment, it is second just to Bitcoin regarding market capitalization. The framework that will make Ethereum's blockchain more scalable, secure, and long-lasting was provided by the major upgrade that merged its beacon chain and mainnet chain. Sharding will be added in a future upgrade, significantly reducing transaction times and network congestion. It remains to be seen how Solana will fare in the face of these enhancements. Lamports are the fractional quantities of SOLs that are available. The value of a Lamport is 0.0000000001 SOL. Leslie Lamport, a computer scientist best known for his work on distributed systems, was Solana's biggest technical influence. Lamports are named after Lamports. There are 511.6 million SOL tokens in Solana's supply, of which 355 million have already entered the market. Solana is the 9th largest cryptocurrency company by market capitalization. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD Coin, BNB, XRP, Binance USD, and Cardano are larger rivals. Thank you for watching. For more financial news and info, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.